Hello, students. This is the class for October 6th, for those who missed it. So we have to go to the courses from Schoology, go to Unit 3, and go to the fourth day, Java methods. In that, you will see all the instructions here. I want you to go to this site for the labs. As I do the labs, I'll explain what we did. So take a new tab and enter repl.it. Okay, and you just press start coding and actually go to import from GitHub. So what should you import? So you would go to your Schoology back again. So I'm doing a teacher demo lab. You just copy just the first line from here and enter it in here. Okay, and say import from GitHub. So it will load here. It'll give you all the things that you need. So you don't have to write all these files yourself. So they're already there for you. You just have to add a little bit of code. So what is that going to be? In the main.java, now this is the explanation of the whole thing. In the main.java, there is a Java frame. Here we are doing actually applets. So we are drawing something and painting something in the applet. So there is an object called JFrame that Java uses. So that has been constructed here using the constructor call JFrame F equals new JFrame. And that in that F, we are actually adding our demo. So this is our demo. If you see, there's a demo.java file. So it is going to actually, this is the class for that. So here in this main.java, it's going to build an object for that. So f dot add b is the next step. So we are adding our demo into the frame here. And we are setting the size by using these parameters, parameters that are passed, meaning the size is given as 800 and 600. And we are setting the layout to null, meaning nothing is there, but it is visible with this statement. So this is the main method. Now, if you go to demo.java, this is where the main crux of the program is. If you see here in this constructor, demo, public demo is a constructor, it sets up the class. In that, we want to set the class as, set the size of the frame that we want to use as 800 by 600 and set the background color to be white. So color dot whites. You see that these arguments are being passed into these set methods and true. So what does this actual class do? It paints for us. So what kind of stuff we can do with this? We can actually set color to the green as green for a rectangle that we are going to draw. So draw rect is a method that you can use where 210 and 100 gives the actual location where you want to draw the rectangle, and 400 is the size of the rectangle. So it happens to be a square with width and height to be the same. And then we want to fill it with a certain color. So we want to fill it with the color green. So that's what we are saying here. So all that is needed for us to work. And in that, we want to add some color, some oval with a certain color, and we want to fill oval with a yellow color. So that's the code for this. And then we want to actually draw a line, and that line should be of magenta color, and so on and so forth. We want to draw a string. So all these things that you're seeing here, you can take help from Schoology. There is, if you see here, there is slides notes. If you download it, you will see this in. I have that done already. So this is what you will see. And this will give you all the instruction, all the methods defined here. So you will see unit, set color, and all those things here also. So just go by what was given. This is the actual method definition. Okay. So you would use these and pass them as parameters when you call them. So this is what is called method call with parameter. Okay. So, and these are passing parameters. All right. So this will give you length, the position and width and height. So draw line, draw rect are all given here. The it's just like Jeru where 0, 0, the origin is in this left corner and X grows across, Y grows down. And we also have draw arc and fill arc also. So you go back to Schoology now, where you have to do this. So all of that is defined here. Now, if we run, it will take a couple of minutes, okay? So that is what you need to do. And you have to, while it is running, you have to do these labs, 2 out of 3. So 2 out of 3. Just do the same thing. Follow my video back again, rewind and see what I did. You just have to copy this URL into the repl.it when you say start coding. Okay. So now you see we have everything here. We have a green square. We have a yellow oval, which we actually made it a circle by giving the same dimensions. Otherwise, it would have been an ellipse. Now we have a streak of line here, which is magenta according to the draw line. And we also have this computer science written in blue at 3535. Okay, so this is how it works. And you should do similar things with these smiley face and all this. The instructions are given here in the lab's info handout. The instructions of each lab are given here. So this is the smiley face. You want to draw at least an arc with the lips here. So that's the idea. Draw a smiley, you must use an arc. And this is another. You can build a house and actually a robo. All right. 2 out of 3. You don't have to do all 3. Okay. I hope that helps. And please get back to me if you have any questions. So this is the lab for October 6th class, and it is due in 1 week after the long weekend for y'all. Okay? All right. See you in the next. Bye.